Hi, I'm Chris Kann from the Corcoran Group. Welcome to the Upper West Side. Today I'm going to give you a tour of a beautifully renovated townhouse spread over 6 floors, offering almost 7,000 square feet with a beautiful garden and multiple outdoor spaces. Come take a look. As you enter the townhouse on the parlor floor, you are immediately struck by how much natural light this townhouse really has. With over 60 feet of interior depth, there is ample space for multiple seating areas, including an informal window seat and a living room surrounding this stunning working fireplace. These cleverly placed mirrors give the illusion of depth and accentuate the beauty of the living room. Moving further back, you are drawn into the dining room and can really appreciate this meticulous renovation. Typically, townhouses can be a bit dark, but here they've installed beautiful floor-to-ceiling casement windows on the entire rear facade of the house. In addition to the casement windows, a section of the rear part of the floor has been removed and a glass banister has been installed. All of this affords you great views of the garden. Centered around this impressive chandelier and with ample room for 10, this dining room really anchors the entertaining floor of the house. The garden level is one of the most remarkable floors of the home, and it includes a den, the kitchen, and access to the house's rear garden. The den offers a cozy escape from the rest of the house, but it's still large enough to entertain the entire family. This oversized chef's kitchen was designed for cooking and entertaining in mind. The center island is perfect for preparing food and entertaining your guests, with all of the expected high-end appliances and custom cabinetry that's both stylish and functional. But the best part of the kitchen is its double-height breakfast area, which overlooks the garden. Speaking of gardens, let's go take a look. This fantastic rear garden is built for outdoor entertaining. Set up with its own barbecue, sink, and outdoor dining area. Makes it a perfect place to party with friends away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Now let's head to the private spaces of the house. The house has 5 bedrooms, and this is the master, which spans the entire second floor and has the good fortune of having floor-to-ceiling windows. It has an exceptionally large walk-through closet and a luxurious marble windowed bath overlooking the garden. And last but not least, its own terraced dressing room off the bathroom, making this one of the most exquisite master bedrooms on the Upper West Side. But there's one more exquisite thing I want to show you. Perched on top of the townhouse is this rooftop atelier. With walls of glass and 2 outdoor decks, it is the perfect getaway in the warmer months. And it's one more feature that makes this townhouse truly unique. I think you'd be hard-pressed to find a house as meticulously designed and well-placed in the city as this one. I hope you've had fun taking a look.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share.